This is cooking with me again, like how I did yesterday. This is my mom's having a conversation with someone. It's fine. Anyhow, today we'll be making pancakes. I'm going to be using my grandfather's recipe so his memory can live on. Even though he's still alive, we can chill. What you want to do is plain flour, milk, 2 eggs, something to hold it in, and something to mix it. Start by getting a big spoon out of your drawer. Any size will do, as long as it's a big tablespoon. And you get 6 of these, 6 tablespoons out of this, and plop it in there, like so. Next, add the 2 eggs, like so. And now stir. It's kind of hard that you're holding the phone at the same time as stirring. I'll be right back to you once I finish stirring. Once it gets to about this type, add a pinch of salt, like so. So I added another egg because it wasn't perfect. And after stirring, it will be like this. Now, after stirring it, add the milk. If it's dairy or not, it'll be good. Add the milk bit by bit till it's mixed properly. Do it up to there, and then mix. See what happens there, and if it's not enough, I'll show you the consistency it should be at in a minute. Now, use a blender or a sieve to make it silky smooth. I'll show you what to do in a moment. I could not find my average sieve, so I just used this one. You pour the mixture in. It's because my mixture is not very good. But after putting this in, and then mixing some of the other milk in, I'm not very good at pancakes. I'm still working on it. Even though I've done it for years and years and years. Or if the sieve way didn't really work that well, just use a little more milk and then just keep stirring with anything you got. I had to keep changing. Well, 1 minute. And once you're done, it should look something like this. Now, when you're using the oven, well, stove, beware that it can get hot. So do be careful, or if you're young, have an adult with you, but always use an oil that specifically is good for you. I use this one. It's because my mom always buys this one. Anyhow, I shall put it in the pan and then watch it sizzle for a bit. Satisfying sizzles. You know what? I'm gonna make it even more better. How does that work again? Oh, my brother always knows. Ah. I know it's somewhere. Oh, never mind. I guess I forgot. That was embarrassing. I'm keeping that in. Anyhow, wait until the oil is heated up properly. When you see a little bubbles in it, like so. And then use this specific ladle, or if you're lazy, just put a bit in. Put a bit of this into the pan. Noticing. There it is. Phew. No panics. Panics were over. the pancake after it's been flipped, and hopefully I don't get burned by oil. And there's the flipped pancake. It doesn't really need to be cooked for long since this is my English recipe. Or if you couldn't tell by my accent, if you can tell. Here's our finished pancake from before, and once I've finished all the pancakes, I'll show you what I can do to it after. And here's our final product. But if we want, I'll show you a little extra we can do. Get a single pancake out of the couple you have. I chose the top one, of course. Then I got this. And there you have it, a final product of your pancake. I don't know how you like your pancakes, I was just doing it to, impress you guys. I don't actually eat my pancakes like that, I just have honey on it. But if you enjoy it, leave a like. Bye!